Welcome back. So this week is Lab 9. We got the same chapter. We're just flipping the page here. So take care of your lecture and discussion board, and then you're going to be doing 15, 16, 17, and 19. So I'm going to flip the page here. It's going to be the chuck jaw, hinge bracket, tool holder, and cross feed stop. These might take a little bit more visualization work here. So, in 1103, I gave you models, and you could look at them and then draw. So this time around, I'm testing to see how it works, but the idea is I'm making you all visualize on your own this time. You've gotten some drafting skills, and you're working on becoming this proficient legend in the making. And I want to see how well you can picture what these would be without me holding your hand. So the hardest one to me that jumps out, well, kind of both of them really, is going to be these two, but really the tool holder. Because when you look at this view, you first think just like, what the heck, man? But the more you look at it, the more you realize it's really not all that complicated. But I'm really wanting to see how your mind processes what you're seeing here. Because sometimes, it may look clear as day like something, and then you actually see it, and it all just clicks like, holy crap, I was thinking about it wrong, and that's really going to be these guys. This one's obviously super basic, but it's ones like these that you'll appreciate whenever you're pulling your hair out on these, and then you get to this one and you knock it out in like 3 minutes and you feel great. um, but yeah, so make sure you're taking care of these four in your lecture and discussion boards. And as always, if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks for watching.